Well, with me right now is Miriam Drake, and Miriam is working with the Soul Club, and one of the seminars that she is doing that's coming up in just a few days is about getting your affairs organized, and she was on before talking about this. I want to mention that there's one on February 9th or February 23rd. Welcome, nice to have you here today.
Thank you, Ken.
So tell me what this is all about.
The seminars are designed to help people get their affairs organized, documents, find a good attorney, put together their power of attorney for finance and healthcare. In the seminar, we will complete the 5 wishes form, which is a legal document. We're going to go over a to-do list. And so people have more of a structured idea of what they need to do to take care of themselves.
Okay. And are you working with any other organization? Because I know the Senior Center does this and a few others do this as well.
This is sponsored by the Soul Club.
Okay.
And I'm offering the seminar. I've done this before in other locations, not just in the village.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what is something that when people come to this, that should they bring some materials? Are they going to be doing something that day, or you're going to provide them stuff and when they go back home they can go through all this?
Yes. They will receive the 5 wishes form and a book. Okay. And I will send them via email a downloadable PDF of the workbook, which is basically all the forms that they're going to need to complete all the tasks.
Okay.
And we will go over the to-do list, we will go over the forms. People will share experiences and knowledge that they have. There'll be a question and answer session. So it's information, but it's also other things.
Okay.
Yeah.
And as far as some of the things you said to go over, you mentioned it's a good idea, of course, to get an attorney.
Yes.
I know a lot of these forms can also be downloaded, the legal forms, and some people may choose to do them themselves. A lot of them there's some online places people can go and that takes you step by, almost like doing your taxes online. So there's different options that people have.
There are many different options, and a lot depends on how simple their estate is. Some people have very complicated, many pieces of property, blended families, et cetera, et cetera. Other people, they don't have children. It's just, everybody's in a different position.
Okay. Now, at this seminar, this will be, by the way, the first one, February 9th, which is this Saturday at Clubhouse 2, and then also Clubhouse 2 again on February 23rd. And the fee for this is $25, and that's to cover the materials, am I right? $
25 pays for the materials, and then it's a love donation. So there's really, it's not a charge for the seminar itself, no. And if people have come to one of the seminars and they want to retake it, they can do that.
Okay, all right. So if they go to one, then, but they're separate. In other words, it's the same seminar. It's not as though you have to go to both of these.
No,
right?
no,
okay.
no.
All right. Yep. Now, RSVP is important because you have limited space, and that is affairsorganized@gmail.com. And if you forget that, I imagine they can go to the Soul Club online. They probably have a link and go from there, right?
That's a possibility, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
You got space left for this one, right?
We do have space left for this one.
Okay.
And I encourage people to tell their neighbors, bring your neighbors with you, bring the exact change for the books when you come on Saturday.
Okay. Now, what about what you do on this? You're giving the seminar. Do you have a legal background? Are you a financial advisor, or you're simply there to here are the things you're going to be needing when you sit down with those people?
Yes, that's exactly right.
Okay.
I'm not a financial person. I am not a legal professional. I'm a professional counselor for personal counseling, and I work with grief and that kind of thing. But I have a lot of experience. I used to work in healthcare administration. I know a few things, and I've seen a few things, and I realize how important this is for people to do.
Right, and it's important because you don't want your loved ones to be burdened with this, although it's a very hard thing to plan for things when you're not going to be here. And that's one of the hardest things.
And people
know.
need to realize you're not doing this for yourself so much as you're doing this for your survivors.
Right. Yeah, which is particularly if you are married, you know, how important that is for your surviving spouse.
Yeah.
So they don't have that to go through. So again, this is this Saturday, 9:30 at Clubhouse 2, or 2 weeks from this Saturday on the 23rd, also in Clubhouse 2 in the Los Olivos room. And if you'd like to go, please email Miriam at affairsorganized@gmail.com. When they come there, do they bring a payment then? Is that how that works?
Yes, I think that's going to be the best way to do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Now, what, a check, cash, and?
Check, cash.
Okay. All right.
Yep.
Very good.
Good. Thank you
Good to
very
have
much.
you back again. And I know you've done these in the past, so maybe in the future you'll do them again as we get through, because this is something that, you know, it's an ongoing type thing. You know,
As long
more
as
and more
there's a need.
information. Yeah,
Yeah.
I think there always will be. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good to see you, Mary.
Good to see
Take
you.
care. We'll be right back.